Hello guys, what are you doing? Come with me. I have experience 10 years in office. Today I want to teach you percentage formula in MS Excel. Get start. First equal type first column before bracket start first column F first column with row 4 minus last column G row 4 shift close bracket divide first column F 4 multiply 100 get enter degrowth guys. You can see polo shift start bracket first column F row 5 minus last column G 5 shift close bracket divide by first column F 5 into multiply by 100 get enter growth guys. Type equal shift start bracket first column F row 6 minus last column G row 6 shift close bracket divide by first column F row 6 multiply 100 shift bracket start first column F row 6 minus last column G row 6 divide by first column F6 multiply 100 get enter degrowth guys. Shift start bracket first column F row 7 minus last column G row 7 shift close bracket divide first column F7 multiply 100. You can see guys 92 growth first column F row 8 F8 minus last column G row 8 shift close bracket divide first column F8 multiply 100. You can see guys 89 growth. How to growth and degrowth formula using MS Excel. You can see guys this year minus last year divided by last year into 100 get enter degrowth. Polo this year minus last year divided by last year into 100 get enter growth. LP this year minus last year divided by last year into 100 get answer degrowth. This year minus last year divided by last year into 100, get enter growth. This year minus last year divided by last year into 100, enter growth. You can see guys how to growth and degrowth formula used in MS Excel. Yeah, how to percentage formula used in MS Excel. You can learn guys. Continue watch and practice at home. Thank you guys.